slow. Leaves fall like memories I can't let go. And I'm just standing here, breathing in the cold. Autumn on my skin feels like a quiet confession. Warm breath in the cold, every step a blessing. Street lights flicker on, painting shadows on the ground. I hear the season whisper every time the world slows down. Orange in the treetops, red on the road. It's the kind of fading beauty only heartache knows. And I walk through it gentle like the air might break, holding on to every color only longing makes. I'm caught in the hush between daylight and dusk. The sky burns low with the love I trust. Everything feels softer, heavier in the breeze, like the season's giving all its secrets up to me. Autumn, you pull me in slow, with every shade of letting go. Gold leaves falling like silent confessions. Cool air carrying all my reflections. I swear, in your colors I finally see the beauty in changing, the beauty in me. Autumn, stay with me a little longer before the world grows colder. Ooh. Smoke in the distance curls like a quiet thought, reminding me of every battle I fought. Warm sweater on, but my heart's exposed to the stories the wind always seems to compose. Coffee steam rising like a prayer from my lips. The season holds me gentle with his fingertips. I walk under skies that feel painted by fate, loving the way evenings look gray. There's something about the air when it shifts, something about the light when it drifts, makes me feel like I'm right where I belong, inside a moment that won't stay long. Autumn, you pull me in slow, with every shade of letting go. Gold leaves falling like silent confessions. Cool air carrying all my reflections. I swear, yeah, in your colors I finally